Alright, so I want to do some graphical limits problem. So the first question is to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right. So I'm approaching 2 from the right. What is the limit of f of x as you approach 2 from the right? Well, it's going to be 3. Alright, so that's 3. If we approach 2 from the left, what is the limit of f of x? 2 from the left, what is the limit of f of x? Well, under those conditions, it's actually going to be equal to 2. Let me approach let me approach 1 from let me find the limit of f of x as x approaches 1. Well, as x approaches 1, the limit of f of x is going to be equal to 1. Why is that? Well, if I approach 1 from the right, I get that the limit is equal to 1 as x approaches 1. If I approach 1 from the left, I get the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the left is equal to 1. So the left limit equals the right limit, therefore the limit is equal to 1. Now the next question is actually one that many people get wrong. What is f of 1? Well, f of 1 is all the way up here, so f of 1 is equal to 2. Alright, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to find an open interval in this function where f is concave up. Okay, so let me find an open interval where f is concave up. Well, if I look, let's say, at this interval here, an open interval, then f is going to be concave up. Okay, why is that? Why is it concave up? Well, it's concave up because if you were to take the second derivative and evaluate at any of the points inside here, inside this open interval, the derivative would be positive for f of x. I'm sorry, the second derivative would be positive. Okay. Now let's give us an interval, an open interval where the function is concave down. Well, how about this one? Let's say concave down. Okay, let's take this one over here. So we're going to go from here to here. Well, the function is concave down. What does that mean? If I were to evaluate the second derivative at any point in this open interval here, we would have that the second derivative evaluated at any point here is going to be negative. Therefore, the function is concave down. Thank you for